Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. In this video we will learn about pivot table in Microsoft Excel. Pivot table is very strong and useful tool for data analyzation and report generation. By using pivot table we can quickly create the reports that can help us analyzing the data. You can see here this is some raw data available, but this is somehow difficult to analyze. So what we will do, we will create a pivot table which will help us in analyzing the data. But before this, make sure that there are headers on top of the data and cells are not merged together. Like you can see, these two cells have same entries, but make sure that these cells are not merged into a single cell, right? Now let's see how we can create a pivot table. Select this whole data, go to Insert tab and choose this option, Pivot Table. Now it is asking that where we want to create pivot table, on new worksheet or on this same sheet. So we want to create a new worksheet. Click OK and see we are on new worksheet, and here we have different pivot table fields. Actually these fields are these headers. See. Now let's see how we can create the pivot table. Here we have different options, filters, column, rows and values. We will drag and drop these pivot table fields here. See, let's say I am going to put the city in rows. See, we have cities in rows. Then this total in values. See, sum of total in values, and the category in columns. Now you can see we have different categories in columns. Or we can put customer in rows. What else we can do? Okay, we will put the date in filters and product in filter and this region in filters. See, now this pivot table is created. Here also we can apply filters. See, I want to apply the filter for East region. You can see the data is filtered for East region. These are the different cities and these are the customers as per these cities, and here we have different categories and the category wise subtotal is showing here. Also you can see the city wise or customer wise. Here you can also see some other options. Click on this sum of total and choose this option, value field setting. Here you can select any other option, like I am going to find out the count of total. See, let's consider this is 1 order, this is 3 order. So city wise we have 11 orders in this category, cookies category, right? In this way we can analyze the data by pivot table. Now you can see for any other region. See, for central region, we have only these entries. For south region, and if these pivot table fields disappears, then you can easily access these fields again by simply clicking on this pivot table. See, now these fields showing again. And if you want to graphically show this report, then you can choose this option, pivot chart option. See, this is the recommended chart by Excel. Click OK. And now you can see a quick chart is also created showing graphical representation of this data. Here also we can apply filters. See, now I will apply city-wise filters. See, in this way we can use the pivot charts, and this is the table we created. And if you want to check the recommended pivot tables, then first select the data range. Let me select this table first. Now click on recommended pivot table options, and you will see the different recommended pivot tables by Excel itself. You can choose any of these, and you do not need to create your own if you find these helpful for your report. See, I choose this one, and you can see a quick table is created. Also, you can do some customization here. Again, if I show you another, select this table, choose this recommended pivot table, see this one. This is another kind of pivot table recommended by Excel. So in this way you can easily create the reports by using pivot table, and you can quickly analyze the data. That's all for this video. In this video we learnt about pivot table and pivot charts. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Thank you very much.